Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download licensed player pictures in Football Manager Mobile 2024. So you can use real player picture here. For example, tap Harry Kane. This is the licensed player pictures. So before we start, you can get this game from a Netflix, so you can directly install this game from Netflix if you make a subscription. And also, if you do not have Netflix, you can get this game from Play Store or from a Apple Store, but you have to pay it in some amounts. So this is the example, the licensed player picture. This is Harry Kane, and not all the clubs have a player pictures. Only the licensed club that have a real player picture. For example, this is Bayern Munich. All the player of Bayern Munich have licenses player picture here. Harry Kane, Thomas Müller here, even Emmanuel Neuer, and also club from France. For example, let's type French national team. This one, Kylian Mbappe from Paris Saint-Germain. This Paris Saint-Germain is have a licensed player picture. So you can download it by tap the settings button, tap it, tap view and tap user interface, scroll down. This is licensed player pictures, download, tap it, and player pictures already installed from my game. If you do not install it yet, please tap this download player pictures. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.